Yeah, Lolly, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I want to show you how I'm able to make 10,000 Ghana cedis within 10 days. 10 days. So I've made close to 10,000 Ghana cedis within 10 days. Yeah. So so I'm here to show you how I was able to do it. Yeah. So people know me to do arbitrage. Yeah, I'm expert in crypto arbitrage trading, and that's what I've been doing. And people have been asking me, yo, so how much do you make a month? At times when I've been doing videos and showing people that, like, I sometimes make more than 30,000 a month. Some people say, nah, you are capping, you are blah 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 blah, blah, a lot of stuff. So today's date is 13, right? Yeah, but this one is just for the 10 days of my trade. Yeah. So 11 days of my trade, right? Yeah. So you can see the dates. You can see the dates 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. Like, it's continuous. 4, 5, 2, 1. You see, it's that thing. So you have to know that I trade every day. I trade every day. And how do I do my trades? So first of all, I have an AI bot that trade for me, and I also have a bot that give me signals to trade. That make my crypto arbitrage trading very easy. So this one is an AI bot that trades for me. Yeah. So this bot, all I have to do is what, just command the bot, and after that I can withdraw my money anytime I want. So me, I'm a day trader. So every day when I trade, I withdraw my money daily. I'll draw my money daily. So if I'm trading with $1,000 account, I'll be making $20 per trade. I'll be making $20 per trade. And with this AI bot, I will not do anything. I will just initiate arbitrage, and the bot will search for the available opportunity and trade for me. And it will tell me that it's trading this coin on this chain, from this exchange to this exchange. It will tell you everything. The bot will tell you everything. Yeah. So this how I make my money. And the second one is like me getting signals to trade. So when I get signals to trade, this is how I do it. So I do my exchange to exchange, and after that I'll go to P2P to sell my profit and get my money in my MoMo. So if you're doing exchange to exchange, we know that we don't go out without involving the P2P. So if I come to the P2P here, my order for P2P here completed. You can see that it's all sell, 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 sell. You can see it. It's sell, 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 sell. Completed. Have you seen it? Yeah. Have you seen it? And the time is also there. 10th, 8th, 6th. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have to know that crypto arbitrage really pays when, like, you have the right person to teach you, and also have the right plug. At times you have the knowledge, but you need some tools to make the journey very easy for you. You see, so if I'm doing tutorials and at times I don't trade live for to see, and I always calculate that, okay, you're making 20,000 a month. People be saying that, oh nah, you're lying, oh nah, you're not lying. That is why I'm doing this video. I'm not doing this video to prove any points though, but I'm trying to tell you that if you have the right tool, the right mentor, becoming profitable is very easy for you. It's easy for you to make money. It's easy because me, from my mentees, after teaching them everything, I also tell them that you have to go in for a bot, because the bots, you don't know nothing about it. So I will call you personally and show you how to use the bot and stuff, and I'll charge you $60 for the bots plus me mentoring you on the bots. You see that thing? Yeah. So this simple. And one thing about the bot is that you don't need to do anything. Just command the bot, and the bot will trade for you. You see that thing? Just command the bot, trade for me, and a bot what will trade for you. You see that thing? Yeah. So this what I'm trying to tell you. Though people learn crypto trading, forex trading and stuff, but to me, crypto arbitrage is the most easier way to make money, because that one, you're trying to buy a coin at a lower price. Like, let's say if you're buying Bitcoin at this price, 95,000, so how much are you going to sell this Bitcoin to make profit? You have to know that you have to sell it more than this in order to what, to make profit. You see that thing? So this make arbitrage very easy. If you get this concept, that's all. Then we show you the basic things that you need to know: how to buy it, how to sell it, what to know before you buy it, what what you have to deduct from your profit and stuff. We teach you all these basic things, and that's why I'm also saying that on the 31st of this month, I'm hosting my monthly class, and if you want to join, it's just $10. I will teach you everything that you need to know about crypto arbitrage, and I have the link in my bio, the description, and in the comment section as well. Just click on it and buy your tickets and join me, and let me be your teacher. Let me teach you a lot. And after teaching you and you want to proceed to the mentorship, I'm also there for you to mentor you on one or two things. Yeah. But if you need the boat that is making people rich, that is trading for people, the boat is just $60. I'll personally video call you and teach you everything about the boat. Those who have bought it, they can testify to it. It's making them profit. You see that thing? Yeah, and I'll personally call you and teach you how to use the bot. You see that thing? Yeah, so that one, you don't need to do anything. Just command the bot. The bot will do all the works for you. And all you have to do is just cash out into your exchange, and you can go to P2P and sell it and receive your money in your local bank, mobile money and stuff. Yeah, so this how I made 10,000 Ghana cedis within 10 days using mobile money and AI and this crypto arbitrage. So if you want to know more, to learn more, just chat me and let's talk. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.